step-by-step deep cleaning process for laptops. At Gadgetology Network Private Limited, we follow a meticulous step-by-step process to ensure your laptop gets the deep cleaning it deserves. Here's how we do it. Step 1. Initial inspection. We start by carefully inspecting your laptop for any visible damage, dust buildup, or performance issues. This helps us identify areas that need special attention. Step 2. Power down and disassembly. Your laptop is safely powered down and disassembled. Our certified technicians handle every component with care, ensuring no damage occurs during the process. Step 3. Dust removal. Using specialized tools like compressed air and anti-static brushes, we remove dust and debris from the keyboard, vents, and internal components. This step is crucial for improving airflow and preventing overheating. Step 4. Cleaning the cooling system. The cooling fan and heat sink are often the most dust-clogged parts. We carefully clean these areas to restore optimal cooling performance and extend the life of your laptop. Step 5. Keyboard and exterior cleaning. The keyboard, touchpad, and exterior surfaces are thoroughly cleaned using safe, non-abrasive cleaning solutions. This not only improves hygiene but also gives your laptop a fresh, like new look. Step 6. Reassembly and testing. Once cleaning is complete, we reassemble your laptop with precision. We then run diagnostic tests to ensure everything is functioning perfectly from the keyboard to the cooling system. Step 7. Final quality check. Before returning your laptop, we perform a final quality check to ensure it meets our high standards. Your satisfaction is our priority. At Gadgetology Network Private Limited, we don't just clean laptops, we restore them to their peak performance. Trust us to take care of your device like it's our own. Visit www.gadgetology.in to book your deep cleaning service today.